In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a profile picture to your Trello account step by step. If you've recently created a Trello account or you're still using the default avatar, updating your profile photo is a great way to personalize your account and make it easier for your team members to recognize you across boards and projects. I'll walk you through the entire process, including how Trello connects with Atlassian for profile settings. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Trello account. Go to Trello.com and enter your email and password to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello home screen where you can see your boards and workspace overview. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile icon there. It might be your initials or a default image if you haven't set up a photo yet. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Profile and Visibility. This will take you to your Trello profile settings page, where you can manage how your profile appears to others. Now here's the important part. Since Trello is owned by Atlassian, your profile picture is actually managed through your Atlassian account. Under the section that says Manage Your Personal Information, click on Atlassian Profile. This will redirect you to your Atlassian account settings in a new tab. Once you're on the Atlassian profile page, look for your current profile photo icon near the top. Click directly on that profile photo circle. This will open the profile photo editing options. You'll now see an option that says Add Profile Photo. Click on that button to begin the upload process. After clicking that, select Upload a Photo. This allows you to choose an image file directly from your computer. A file selection window will open. Browse through your system and choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. It's best to use a clear, square image for the best results. Once you select your image, it will upload into the preview window. Now you'll have the option to adjust the image. Use the slider provided to zoom in or zoom out so your face or desired area fits perfectly within the circular frame. Take a moment here to position it properly, since this is how it will appear across Trello boards and Atlassian services. Once you're happy with how it looks, click on the Upload button to confirm the changes. Give it a few seconds to process. And that's it. Your profile picture is now updated. If you go back to Trello and refresh the page, you should see your new profile image displayed in the top right corner and across your boards. Updating your profile photo not only makes your account look more professional, but it also helps team members quickly identify you when collaborating on tasks and cards. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.